Hi, today's tutorial will teach you how to add total colons in Excel. Ensure to watch the video to the very end and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more informative video content. Now let's jump right in. Open up your Excel worksheet. Here is a table with some data of people and monthly sales. Now, to add up the total colons in the first month, January, we click on the empty cell beside the total cell where you want to see your result. Then in the Home tab, you locate and click on Auto Sum. Excel will automatically add up the cells and display the results formula. Now you press enter and you can see the sum of all sales in January has been displayed here. To calculate the rest of the columns, we click on the first result. Then at the bottom of the cell, you click and drag the column across the rest of the columns. Good. Now you can see that all the columns have been filled with their totals. So you can use this formula to add up the totals of rows too. That is, guys, you have successfully added up the total columns in your Excel worksheet. That's all for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.